feels like. And I tell him it's like frozen barbed wire that's wrapped around my bones in my leg that has electricity hooked to it. Pretty much. Anyway, when I get back in bed, I'll be right back. I decided not to lay down, that I would try and sit here for a couple minutes and just show you the medications. Mostly these two items that I got from a girl named Linda on Facebook. She's one of my friends, and she sells this hemp work stuff. This is the rub-on cream. It seems to be helping. And then this is the CBD oil peppermint drops. To start with, I did 20 of these drops under my tongue 2 or 3 times a day. They help me sleep, and it's helping with the pain. And then the cream, I just put it on the areas that are just exploding with pain a lot. Anyway, yeah, so thanks to Linda. And if anybody's interested in the link to purchase this stuff, it's really working. My doc, of course, has got me on Norco. Every 6 hours is needed for pain. And what I've done with this, he probably wouldn't like it, but I don't care, is I take a half a pill every 3 hours, so that when I went every 6 hours with it, it was like my pain was up here, and I took a pill and it dropped the pain down, and then about an hour and a half before time for my next dose, my pain was skyrocketing. So I kind of thought if I took a half a pill every 3 hours, it would like keep my pain level on an even keel. So that seems to be working. I mean, I'm still in pain through the whole thing. Like, I just took medicine at 6 a.m. and it's, I don't know what time it is now, probably going on 7. But at least it's not spiking to the point where I'm crying, rolling around in horrible pain. Anyway, the other thing he's got me on is Roboxin. I don't know what it is. Anyway, I take that every 6 hours. I don't know. Gabapentin. I was on gabapentin before when I had this. And at one point they had me on the highest dose possible. I believe it's I want to say beta blocker, but that might be wrong. But it tells the nerves, no, you're not really feeling pain. I don't know. And then the other thing I'm on is Lodine. I think the one that was an L. Oh, the Lodine. It is a muscle relaxer, and it's not working. I mean, I'm constantly locking up my leg, my right leg, in pain. The soothing music, meditation music, heating pads, hot showers, and again, I have found that laying flat on my stomach for about, well, within 5 minutes I start feeling relief, and then after about 10 minutes I can get up and go get something to eat out of the kitchen, or make me some coffee or something, and then get right back in bed on my stomach, because it does help. Anyway, as time goes on, I'll keep you guys informed of what's going on. Not for sympathy, not for, oh my God, I hope you feel better type of thing, but so that, you know, there might be somebody else out there that's going through this, and maybe you know, the things I'm doing besides the drugs that I get from the doctor will help somebody. Anyway, another thing I think that is going on, which when I hurt myself, I squatted down, ow, spasm. When I hurt myself the first time, I think it was like 4.5 years ago, I was making a cutesy little flower bed in my backyard, and I squatted down and pushed a full telephone pole because it just wasn't quite where I wanted it to be. And when I did that, I not only compressed my spine, but I also tore a muscle, and I'm going to slaughter the name, the piriformis muscle. Yeah, and I don't know what I did that could have even started this, but the feeling, the pain is the same as what I had before. The only difference is the pain is you can pinpoint, you know, it's not just this flow of pain. I mean, it flows. Like if I have a spasm in my back, it goes all the way down my leg. But it seems to have, I don't know if it's a trigger area or a location, but it hits my hip and it explodes, and it hits the outside of my knee and it explodes, and it hits the part on my leg where I broke it one time. Oh yeah. It's just above my ankle on the outside, and it just rages with pain. And like I said, the relief cream, this stuff, oh, don't fall. This stuff, when I put it on there, it does help. I also have, and I don't have them out here, lidocaine patches that I got from before, and then I have lidocaine cream, and I've gone through, I don't know, I think 2 tubes of Aspercream, and there's another gel-like thing that I'll show you in the next video. Anyway, I'm going to go lay down again, and hope you follow along in this journey, and hope that whoever's going through the same kind of back pain I'm going through, maybe give them some ideas, help them get through it too. Alright, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.